car show. It's at the school out in Appin. It's every year. There's usually some pretty good cars there. So we've got a few boys behind us. We're going to go check out what cars are there and have a little bit of fun. You see that car?
Yeah.
Did you see that car on the side of the road?
No.
It was a Mercedes pedal car.
Yeah.
How do we do a U and go back and get it? That's our next project. Monaro is absolutely smooth.
Yep, we're in the VZ Monaro. Got the black and tan trim. We might give you a run around of it in an upcoming video maybe. It's going to try and get Jimmy to keep it stock, so yeah. We'll see.
I think we'll keep this one as it is for a collector. All original stock from the factory. It runs smooth.
So if you want to see us go and visit more events, also run around on the Monaro here, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And what, they can comment and ask them some questions, eh Jimmy?
Sure can. We'll get back to every question we can, as quick as we can.
On to the video. Cruising in the Monaro.
Very westy. Put my background music. Check out the bright orange Mustang.
Did you just say Mustang, mate?
Yeah, I know.
It's horrendous.
Yeah, sorry, blasphemy.
Blasphemy.
I just woke up, give me a break.
Particular retina searing colour of orange, eh?
Yeah, that's right.
We've got Jimmy saying wow about a Ford. Like, I mean, geez.
Yeah, it's very rare. But this one is a bit of wow.
These are a rare beast now, the V in Group A.
Check out the very rare throttle body that comes on this car.
VH charger, very clean. $1971. Right next door, original looking HZ sedan, 308. Another charger, gold blacked out chrome. Ah, the chaps. We had the EH collection, the matching set, matching number plates. Check it out, custom panel van, taking Jimmy back to his youth. Oh, that's sick. Plush velvet, mirror roof. Nice looking white GDS. Oh, what a crop. Give us a little in the sun, Benny. Woo! Another nice HQ. Premier with the white top. Oh, this is the Benny special right here. Next to what's quite possibly the bravest man on the paddock, the Barra HK. And a super clean Sandman pano. Next to a collection of very nice original looking Studebakers. Finish off on the end here with a nice baby blue F-Series panel van. Falcon Experts, a picture of professionalism. Stock as LS Monaro. Hold up. This one's for Dad. Super clean, race inspired Mark 1 Cortina. Ford Cosworth variant, twin cam. Alan Moffat signature on the dash. Sweet. Couple big turbo Skylines right here. GDR. Turbo Mini. Very OG looking UC Tirana. Another clean panel van. Sweet blown Chevy rod. That's just old school cool. Now we're talking. Check out this couple of super sweet 6 Series Beamers. One's an M. Beautiful. Old school Falcon wagons. Very original looking HQ sedan here. Skyline, Camaro, El Camino, Ferrari. Really was a bit of everything. Porsche, Fiat Spider, Camaro, Vortec blown LJ 4-door. Great trio of 57 Chevys. Here we go, gotta have the Bandit. Pretty wild. Sorry, I mean crazy. LC, LS powered. Next door to a GDSR. Ooh, controversial LS swap. Very nice. Black, white trim, 346 pack CUDA. We've got an extreme detailed Holden panel van, airbrushed, well documented. Clean engine bay with that Statesman front. Very extensively modified Chevy pickup, dropped, super clean, heap of work. Very detailed, extensive build on it. Even got that trimmed bed, nitrous bottle, and the US flag just for that extra touch. Trio of Holden powered Holdens, believe it or not. Very clean builds. Another clean Chevy. Immaculate blue Eleanor. Parked up next to an old school styled blown Mustang. Very cool looking Deus Ex Machina styled Harley based motorbike. One of a handful of bikes on the premises. Nuts HK. Enough said, really. Benny all over the Towradgi Falcons. Amazingly restored Series 1. Maybe Series 2 Land Rover. Well worked over Chevelle. Custom paint, got the big wheels, ostrich trim, and that big block motor. Topped off with the custom green paint. Got the trio of modified Commodores here. Sick ITBs. Queen has Valiant sedan. Got those Bumblebee stripes. Check out that twin carb W big block. .210 Chevy. Plenty of Mazda representation. Benny checking out another Towradgi Ford. Nice, subtly modified Mark II Escort panel van. So that was about it for the show. Saw a couple of cars in the car park. And then we decided to hit the road. Alright, so we're out of here. That's APPIN Car Show. Still got plenty parked on the side of the road. Got Benny and the Raw Dog up there. I've hitched a lift in this sensational family truckster. Station wagon. Immaculate. And we're going to go and try and catch up, see what else is around in the car scene. So let's get into it. The old Woolongong lighthouse. So we finished up the day at the pub, as was expected. Here's the boys. Check out this wagon. Cruising in the wagon, cruising style with the bench seat. Clean unit. Apparently the tailgate's really, really exciting. Look at that. Super clean unit. And of course, over here, got the boys. And then of course we had Benny's Falcon out. Just being obnoxious as usual. Like, I mean, we're not even going to get into that number plate. We won't even go around there. Yeah. So what do we got to do, Ben? We've got to like, comment and subscribe, don't we?
That's right.
That's right. So like, comment, subscribe, and we might get out there and do some other stuff. There
you go, get the back of it.
Check it out. Oh, look at that tailgate.